Let's learn alphabet E. Eggplant. Eggplant. Endolive. 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 Edamame. 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 Elephant garlic. Elephant garlic. Elephant garlic. Escarole. 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 Elderberry. 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 Egg fruit. Egg fruit. Egg fruit. Elephant. 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 Eagle. 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 Eel. 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 Elk. 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 Echidna. 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 Egret. Egret. Echidna. Earthworm. 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 Electric fish. Electric fish. Electric fish. Electric car. Electric car. Electric car. Electricity. 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 Thanks for learning. Subscribe channel for next videos.